Hey guys, how's it growing? I'm Becky. Welcome to my YouTube channel where together we're going to try and take our gardening from seed to harvest and then some. Today though, I wanted to give you the down and dirty on the lights I've chosen to use for my basement seed starting setup. Say that 3 times fast. Okay, so as I said, this is going to be the down and dirty, very basic Coles Notes as to why I've gone with the lights I have and I've been using for the last 3 years with great success. So I've chosen to go with fluorescent bulbs. There's a few reasons for this. The first being cost. The startup cost for these bulbs is very reasonable, as well as the fixtures that go with them. They're also very efficient for electricity, so you're not spending money there. Another thing is the availability of these bulbs. You can get them pretty much anywhere, from a hardware store to online. They're easy to find. And lastly, they're really good at growing plants. So if you choose to go with fluorescent bulbs, there's a few things you need to know. First of all, you're going to find they come in different sizes. And I'm not just talking length, I'm talking the diameter. There's usually 3 different sizes. And they're called T12, T8, and T5. The T12 is being the largest, the T5 is the smallest. The T12 is kind of old technology, so let's just talk about the T8 and the T5s. Between the 2 bulbs, the smaller one, the T5, is more efficient. That said, it is more expensive. Also, I find that the fixtures for these bulbs are a little bit more difficult to find, and you might have to buy it online. So if you're able to find the T8s, go with those. I have both setups. These are T5s, these are T8s. They both do amazingly well. The next thing you're going to consider is the color temperature of the bulbs. Plant growth uses the light at the ends of the light spectrum, so the really reds and the really blues. For vegetative growth and starting seeds, the blue is the best light. So in order to pick the right bulb, you're going to look for one that says daylight or look for the Kelvin rating on it. So it's usually marked with a K. You're looking for something in the 5,000 to 6,500 Kelvin range. If you can get the 6,500, grab that one. It's great. If you're wanting to produce more flowers and even some fruits or vegetables on your plants inside, then you'll need to add in a few bulbs in the red light spectrum. And that will be in the Kelvin range of 3,000 and less. But if you're just starting your seeds to go outside, go with just the blue. That's all your plant needs. So now that you know which fluorescent bulb you're going to go with, both the size and the color temperature, now you need a fixture for it. There's a few things to think about when choosing your fixture. The first is make sure that the fixture matches the bulb you bought. So a T8 bulb won't fit in a T5 fixture and vice versa. So make sure you get the right one, as well as the right length for the type of bulb you're choosing and the space you're putting it in. Next, look at how it mounts. Is it one that you have to attach to the ceiling, or does it hang? I prefer the ones that hang because you can actually change the height of the light as your plants grow. Also, this allows you to mount it in other locations, under a shelf, from the ceiling. Next, try and find a fixture that's reflective on the inside. This will direct more of that light back towards your plants. Now, if you can't find a fixture that's really shiny, what you can do is get some of that silver tape for duct work and cover the inside of that. It'll make it shiny. It'll work great. Lastly, look for a fixture that has an extension cord on it, rather than one that has to be hardwired into your house. 1, you don't want to be hiring an electrician. And 2, it's nice to have the option to move your light around, as well as plug it into a timer so that your lights will go on and off automatically. Well guys, that's the down and dirty on the grow lights I have behind me here. I've had great success with them for the last 3 seasons. I haven't had to replace or change any of the bulbs. They're still going strong. I highly recommend this type of setup. I hope this has given you the confidence to go out and purchase lights similar to mine to start your very own seed starting setup. I'll put links below to all the products that I use, both from hardware stores or online. That way you guys can do your own research on what fits your space and your budget as well as your needs. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to throw them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. I plan on having many more videos in the very near future. I hope this helped you guys. Have a great day. Happy gardening.